I am listening to music. I am listening to music. I am drinking water now. I am drinking water now. I am singing in the car. I am singing in the car. I am walking to school. I am walking to school. I am reading a book. I am reading a book. I am watching TV at home. I am watching TV at home. I am running in the park. I am running in the park. I am cooking in the kitchen. I am cooking in the kitchen. I am cleaning my room. I am cleaning my room. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes. I am driving to work. I am driving to work. I am painting the wall. I am painting the wall. I am jumping on the bed. I am jumping on the bed. I am crawling on the floor. I am crawling on the floor. I am dancing in my room. I am dancing in my room. I am closing the window. I am closing the window. I am drawing a picture. I am drawing a picture. I am learning English today. I am learning English today. I am teaching English my friend. I am teaching English my friend. I am working at my desk. I am working at my desk. I am resting on the sofa. I am resting on the sofa. I am smiling at you. I am smiling at you. I am writing in my notebook. I am writing in my notebook. I am thinking about dinner. I am thinking about dinner. I am singing in the car. I am singing in the car. I am eating dinner at the table. I am eating dinner at the table. I am crying in my room. I am crying in my room. I am laughing with friends. I am laughing with friends.
Hi friends, help me subscribe to my channel. Just click the red button right here. Great, now we're subscribed. Thanks for helping. Let's learn English together and have fun.